one. Power up.
Well, let's see what match number 3 has to bring us. 41-71, trying to get a power cube in there, but 7-1, they grab a power cube out of that Red Alliance switch. Blue Alliance gets 2 power cubes on the Blue Alliance switch. Blue Alliance in just a very small lead. Actually, they're basically neck and neck. Red Alliance does pull into the lead there. Blue Alliance also earned their ranking point bonus for completing the auto run. They got all 3 robots across that auto line and delivered a power cube in the autonomous period, but now our drivers are in control. And 69-18, Napai Stellarats, they grab a power cube, toss one up there, and they got a second one up onto the scale. 7-1, they shoot one up onto the scale as well. Looks like this is going to be a battle for the center scale in this match. Both alliances have their switches switched to their color, but Blue Alliance owns the scale, and that scale is going to pull the Blue Alliance into the lead. They've already crossed the threshold from the Red Alliance. It may come down to some strategic power-up play. 69-18, they're tossing one up towards that scale, but it comes a little bit down. That flips it up there like a little pancake flipper up onto the blue side of the scale. It's very fast, but does not get them quite as accurately as some of these other machines do. Red Alliance needs to capture their side of the scale very quickly here if they want a chance to catch up in this match. They're now trailing by about 40 points. Robotics, they shoot one up onto the scale, but it's not enough to balance it back in their direction just yet. Looks like 34-82 on the Red Alliance. And Robotics, they've got one in their machine. They're going up towards the scale. 2 red robots lining up on that red side of the scale now. There's 1 and 2. One from the Robotics just falls down. The scale is back in balance, but tips back to the Blue Alliance side with 45 seconds left in match number 3. 7-1, the Robotics, they've got 1 more in their machine. It's up, and it's on, and it's balanced back to the Red Alliance side. The scale back to the Red Alliance. Do they have enough time to close that gap in the final 30 seconds now? That's what we need to find out. They're trailing, but if a robot can climb the scale, it is worth an extra 30 points. And if all 3 robots can climb or use the levitate power-up, they get an additional ranking point for challenging the boss. There's a power-up from the Blue Alliance. It's levitate. That's worth 30 points. And 1 climbing a robot with the final 5 seconds. Is anyone going to get in the air? 41-35 on the blue. Iron Patriots trying to hook onto the scale, but not quite enough time with that power cube in the way at the end of match number 3. And it's the official score with the Blue Alliance defeating the boss. Blue Alliance with a score of 304. Red Alliance 242. Blue Alliance earned their 2 ranking points for the win of the match.